How do I appear offline on Snapchat?
Hello there. In today's digital world, maintaining privacy is an important aspect of our online interactions. In this video, we're going to learn how to appear offline on Snapchat, a feature often referred to as ghost mode.
What is ghost mode?
Ghost mode is a feature within Snapchat that allows you to hide your location from other users. By turning on ghost mode, you become invisible on the Snap Map, which is essentially equivalent to appearing offline.
How do I activate ghost mode?
Activating ghost mode is simple. Here's a step-by-step guide. 1. Open your Snapchat app and tap on your profile icon in the top left corner. 2. Now tap on the settings icon in the top right corner. 3. In the settings menu, scroll down and look for the Who Can section. Under this section, tap on See My Location. 4. Here, you'll see the ghost mode option. Slide the toggle to the right to activate it. Remember, when ghost mode is turned on, you will not appear on the Snap Map. This way, you can maintain your privacy while still enjoying the features of Snapchat.
Can I choose specific people to hide from?
Yes, Snapchat offers the flexibility to hide your location from specific people. To do this, 1. Navigate to the See My Location section in your Snapchat settings, as described above. 2. Below the ghost mode toggle, you will see Select Friends. Tap on it. 3. You'll see a list of your friends. Here, you can choose specific friends to hide your location from. That's all there is to it. You now know how to appear offline on Snapchat by using ghost mode. This feature allows you to control your privacy according to your needs. Always remember, online safety and privacy are crucial in today's digital age, and these features are here to help you with that. We hope you found this guide helpful. Happy snapping!